Hi, today I'm going to show you 10 ways how you can improve yourself. So the first way to improve yourself is to accept the situation that you're going through. During this situation that you're having, you look at what is happening to you and you accept the situation for what it is. You are not going to think about anything else. You look at the situation and you say to yourself that this situation is something that will help you grow and help you improve. So the first thing is to accept the situation for what it is, and then you can go to the next step, which is not blaming anybody else, not blaming people, but just taking responsibility for everything. So you see this situation as a growth opportunity, and you don't try to point fingers at someone else or trying to think that it's because of someone that things are not working for you. You look at this situation and you say, okay, I'm totally responsible for what is happening for me, and I have the choice to improve myself by thinking that I can take responsibility of this situation and get out of this situation by accepting that I was part of the problem, I am the problem. You take accountability for your own problems and you start to move on from this into the next step, which is working on yourself. When you work on yourself, you know that after a long period of work on yourself, you will be able to grow, and people around you are going to see you in a new light and have a new perspective of you. But the first thing that you have to do is to work on yourself. What are the things that are causing you troubles in your life currently? It can be personal, it can be things that are mental, emotional, all those things that are draining you or making you feel a certain way. You work on those things, and there's progress. You can be the number one when you start. So you know that if you are someone that works on himself or you work on yourself, you are part of a minority, a small percentage of people are actually working on themselves. So work on yourself and know that you can overcome this situation and this big challenge. What you do after is that you see this, and everything that happens to you has to be part of the past now. So you look at the things that happen to you, all the things that are cutthroat, all the things that were not good for yourself or against your values. You look at those things and you say, okay, it's an opportunity for me to learn and to be really strong and improve myself. Just try to feel relaxed when things happen and say, it's over. I'm not going to tolerate this anymore. And the only thing that I'm going to think about is the future. I promise you that when you start thinking about the future, things are going to be massively better. Things are going to be amazing. And those people that challenge you so much are going to look at you and say, oh my God, after everything I've done to this person, how is it possible that this person is still standing strong and confident about himself? That's exactly what you have to do. To think about the future, your 5-year plan, or something that can help you grow into this strong person that people admire. The next thing that you have to do is that you have to start working on you physically as well. You can exercise at least once a week. You go exercise, and you just exercise by doing things that you like. If you like sport, just pick one sport that you like doing, and if you really like this sport, it will never feel like exercising, because when you like something, it's just like playing. So if you like fitness, go to the gym so that you become the strongest person that you are and you become fit. Exercise to forget about all the problems that you have. When you exercise, you're more able to clear your mind and face problems with a new perspective. Exercising is really important, at least once a week if you can. So after that, you have to self-explore. What I mean by self-explore is that you have to find new adventures. You need to find new things, new activities that makes you feel adventurous, something that makes you feel important, and also is just helping you have a new routine in your life, having something that is making you feel good and it is really interesting for you. So if this activity can be, for example, going for a walk, going hiking. This is something that a lot of people don't do, and that's something that people do as well. But hiking is something that you can do that is new. If you like those kind of activities, go do some paintball, go do some things, for example, going to a park with roller coasters and all those things that are good for you. Meet people, talk to people, join groups. All those things are part of the things that are new to your routine, and avoid staying at home doing nothing. Try to go outside and do something that you want to discover. That's really important. And the point number 8 is self-love. Self-love is something that is free. Everybody can love themselves. So if you start to love yourself, you're going to be able to attract someone that loves you for who you are, and also you're not going to tolerate things that are not good for you. You will see yourself and say, I love myself enough to not tolerate someone treating me this way. Self-love is really important, but when you see self-love, you also have to understand that you have to also love other people and not just focus on yourself. Try to work with other people that love themselves and that are always going to help you in the future. Number 9 is that people who are here to help you, people that respect you, and people that will always see you for the person that you want to be. It's possible for you to be with people that respect you. Respect has to be the base of relationship with people. I know that it can be tough most of the time because a lot of people don't respect values or boundaries of other people, but having people that respect you by default is something that is going to help you improve your relationship with other people, and also how you deal with people, because you're going to say, I respect myself, so I will have people that respect me, and you will also be someone that is powerful to you. And number 10 is to work every day. Every day you do a task or a work that is going to put you in the future, that is going to put you better in the future. You spend 10,000 hours working on something, you're going to become a professional by doing this thing. Just every day, spend 30 minutes or 1 hour doing something that is improving yourself financially, that is improving yourself in terms of emotions, mentally, spiritually. All those things are going to put you in a better position if you start working a little bit. Even like if you do like 2 minutes every day, it's going to be better because you did something that a lot of people didn't do. And the last thing that I want to say is that I'm thankful for you that is watching this video right now. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.